everyone, welcome to day 4 of science this week. So once again we're going to start with this, just like we have every single day this week. The cause of Earth's day and night, do you remember what it's called? Rotation. So one rotation is a day and a night. For a year, when the Earth goes around the sun one full time, that is a revolution. So one revolution is 1 year. The seasons happen because of the revolution and the tilt. So sometimes people say seasons happen because of the sun, and that's not accurate. They happen because there's a tilt on with the Earth. Okay, so here's our activity for today. We're just doing one page, and it says draw a picture of the stars, write to tell what a star is. Okay, so in the past we've kind of thought of some of our facts, and so I'm going to do this page like this, and I'm going to put my facts over here and my picture right here. Okay, so I'm going to write facts, and maybe you already know some facts you remember. I'm just going to remind you of a few. First off, we know the sun is a star. Right? Equals means that's what it is. It's a star. Okay. We see stars at night, but they're still there even during the day. The sun's light is just too bright, so we can't see them. So the stars are always in space. So they're always shining, even when we can't see them. Okay. Maybe you remember there are different sizes and colors. So they had red. They had a blue one. So they had, I can't remember all of them. Maybe I can't remember if there's a yellow one. I think there is, maybe. Anyway, so different colors and different sizes. So remember how big this one was on Orion's constellation, and then the Earth was just in the middle. Actually, the Earth next to this would be much smaller, but we'll just do that. Another thing is what it is. It's a big, huge ball of gas. Big, huge ball of gas. Okay. And it has energy. Energy is work. And that might sound kind of strange right now, but we will learn more about energy very soon. Okay, so let me get right over here. So hopefully you were able to find some facts with that. Let me get out my pen. So you are welcome to write 3 facts. I'll write 2 with you. I'm going to say stars I start with my capital. Stars are always shining. So even when we can't see them because of the sun, they're still up in the sky shining. They're just not as bright as the sun. Okay? Another thing I could say, they come No, I'm not going to say come. Sorry, guys. I'm going to say have. They have different shapes. Different colors. They have different colors. That doesn't really make sense to me. They have different colors. Stars can have different colors. Really, they come in different colors. So I was right. They come in different colors. That's okay. So I wrote, they can have different colors and sizes. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite this because it kind of confused me. I'm going to say stars come. You don't need to write this. I'm just writing it so it's clearer. Stars come in different colors. No, I think I was right. I'm sorry, guys. See, even though I'm a teacher, sometimes I struggle too. So let's read these. Stars are always shining. They can have different colors and sizes, which we just talked about, right? Okay, I would love for you to write one more sentence. Please make sure it's a sentence, not just a word. So maybe you want to talk about how we can see the stars at night, or that the sun is a star. And then draw your picture. Don't forget to send me a picture so that I can see all the work you've done. Bye, everyone.